addition problem in your head? Well, Marvin can, and he's got some special techniques for you.
Hurry up! Get on with it! Who is this man?
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. I am Marvin, the foremost mental magician.
Give me a break, Marvin.
Using the ancient method known only as the left-right method, I am able to beat scribbling pencils and speeding calculators and adding two-digit numbers.
46 plus 32.
As you can see, my hands are cuffed securely behind my back.
46 plus 32.
78.
Great. How'd you do that? Beats me. Hey, Marvin, how'd you do that?
My lips are sealed, but I can say it's the ancient left-right method.
Left means tens and right means one.
Shh! How did you know that?
Show us.
Now wait a minute. You're fooling with the secrets of the ancients.
Just give me a second. This is supposed to be a mental process. 46 plus 32 equals 78. Think of it as in 3 steps. Step 1, add the tens, the left column. Step 2, add the ones, the right column. Step 3, add the two totals together. 46 is 4 tens, or 40. 32 is 3 tens, or 30. 40 and 30, which is
70.
right. Step 2, add the ones. 6 plus 2 equals 8. Now step 3, add the two totals together. 70 plus 8 equals
78. Hey, that's simple. That's not fair.
Okay, let's have a test. Any challenges?
54 plus 25? 79. I won.
Hello, Mental Math fans, and welcome to the Halftime Show. I'm Brent Mathbuster, and we got some great highlights of the first half for you. Now, for those of you who are watching the Marvin Test Contest, you probably noticed that it's a classic left-right struggle. So let's get right to the highlights. We pick up the action just as Marvin has been thrown 46 plus 32.
46 plus 32, 78.
Sensational! Now, let's diagram that for you fans. 46 plus 32. Now, with the classic left-right method, what you do is you think about it in 3 steps. Step 1, add the left column, the tens, which gives you 70. Step 2, add the right column, the ones, which gives you 8. And finally, step 3, add the two sums together, which gives you the answer, 78. Now, let's watch Marvin answer that question once more.
78.
Notice how he said 78. Not 79 or around 78, but 78. You see, the idea behind this mental computation game is to come up with an exact number, not an estimate. Also, it took Marvin hours to get this good. It looks easy, but it takes practice.
Hello again. I will now talk about a different method. A method so ancient and so secret. I fear to say its name. The plus-minus method. Shh. The plus-minus method. And please do not ask about it. I risk everything just by saying its name.
Marvin, calling it the plus-minus method doesn't exactly give it away.
Nevertheless, one can never be too sure. If you would please, pick 2 numbered ping pong balls from this hat. And as you can see, I'm now blindfolded myself. And I cannot see a thing.
28 plus 37.
65.
How do you do it?
Well, how did I do that?
Well, let me see. The plus-minus method must be a sort of exchange. Okay. 28 plus 37 equals 65. If we add to one number, then we subtract from another. If we added 2 to 28, that would bring it to the nearest 10, which would be 30. 30 and 37 equals 67. But then we must subtract the 2 that we added before. So 67 minus 2 equals 65. 65, that's it, the plus minus method.
Try it again, this time using the Wheel of Fortune.
68 plus 33.
101.
You are fast. Let's go through the steps. 68 plus 33 equals 101. Now the first step is to add to one number to get it to the nearest 10.
Add 2 to 68.
Right. 68 plus 2 equals 70. Now, the second step is to add that sum to the other number.
70 plus 33 equals 103.
Right. Now, subtract what we added in the first step to get our final answer.
Well, we added 2, so we should subtract 2 from 103 to get 101.
Right.
Tess. I'm not opposed to a partnership. We'd make a great team, you and I. Marvin and his assistant Tess. I'd be willing to consider equal billing. Marvin and Tess. Mental magicians.
Okay.
Okay.
Great stuff. Now, as I understand it, there are 3 steps to the plus-minus method, just like the left-right method. Now, here's the problem. 68 plus 33. Step 1. Add what you need to bring one number to the nearest 10. Step 2. Add the sum from step 1 to the second number, using the left-right method. Step 3. Subtract what was added in step 1 to get the final answer. Okay? Now, let's take a look at a girl who can add popcorn, soft drink, candy bar, and still give me the right change faster than anyone I've ever seen.